Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has called upon the Shanghai Cooperation Organization members states to collectively work together, eliminating terrorism and fix accountability on those who aid or fund such activities. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thought with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 am tomorrow. Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Haq on Friday said that the government will soon set up the first ever full-fledged veterinary hospital in Shillong. India recorded 7,533 new coronavirus cases, rising the daily to 4.49 crores, while the active cases decreased to 53,852 on Saturday. In IPL cricket today, Kolkata Knight Riders will take on Gujarat Titans at Eden Gardens in Kolkata. In another match, Delhi Capital will lock horns with Sunrisers Hyderabad at Arjun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi.